And we are going to run through a quick demo of what it means to be a Workful Pro. So first we're going to go through a 5-page deck just to kind of explain what Workful is and what you can expect out of a Workful Pro account. Workful is an all-in-one business management solution. It's an application that combines payroll and essential employee tools like clocking in and out, PTO requests, expense reports, among others, so that small businesses, and we're talking companies with 3 to 20 employees, can manage their employees and their payroll on one platform at a friendly small biz price. So where does Workful Pro come into play? We had a lot of positive feedback from accountants, CPAs, payroll professionals, and small business service providers who said they liked the look and feel of Workful and wanted to be able to offer it to their clients. So what we did is create a dashboard where you can manage all of your payroll clients while at the same time giving them access to the tools they need in Workful to manage their employees. So depending on what level of interaction you want with the company, you could have them process their own payroll and you go in and file the forms for them, or you simply oversee it, and when they have questions they can reach out to you. Or at the other end of the spectrum, you can do everything for them, manage payroll, manage their tax filing, as well as manage their employee management within Workful. So it really puts the ball in your court. What are the benefits to your clients? Well, it offers them a single solution where their employees can log in and log their time off, log their hours, submit expense reports, and access their own tax documents like W-2s, pay stubs, as well as gives them access to company documents like the employee handbook or goals sheets for the quarter. On the right-hand side there, you can see the features that employees can expect and the payroll capabilities below them. Here's a slide that shows the look and feel that your clients can expect. On the left there, you see a mobile application, so employees can clock in and out from their mobile phones. And we have geofence technology, so employees won't be able to clock in from the couch. They'll have to be within some distance of the office. And that's set up by you or by the business owner. Okay, now let's jump into Workful Pro so we can give you a tour and show you what to expect. And this is what we call the Workful Pro dashboard. From here, you can access any of your clients' accounts, so you can process payroll for them or access their tax forms. You can invite clients. So this is 2 clients that I've invited to create Workful accounts so that I can manage their payroll for them. And then here's a list of Workful Pros. And this would be other people who are in your firm or employees of yours who you want to access some of your clients. You can limit this to specific companies, or you can give them access to all of the companies. So real quick, let's go through adding a client. We have 3 options for onboarding new clients. The first one, probably the most popular, lets you create the company for them within Workful. So you'll set up a company, you'll set up the owner's information, which will trigger an invite for them to create their own login. And then you'll go through within their company and set up their employees as well as their tax information, pay schedule, things of that nature. The second option allows you to invite your clients to create their own companies within Workful. That way, you offload some of the busy work and the heavy lifting in getting your clients onboarded. The third option is a custom link. You can share this anywhere. On LinkedIn, you can post it on your website, you can email it to clients, and anybody who clicks through that link will be associated with your Workful Pro account and you'll be able to help them manage their payroll. A couple quick things to point out. We've got a control of billing toggle, and this allows you to handle billing for your clients, in which case your credit card would be billed for their subscription fees. The other option would be for you to have them pay for their Workful account. In that situation, they would add their own credit card on file and we'd bill them directly. In either situation, we have options for discount or revenue share based on your situation and the volume of business that you add to Workful. So to access the companies, you just click on the company name. That'll drop you into their dashboard where you can see I've started setting up this client. And after they're all set up, you'll be able to run payroll for them, manage their employees, and access the payroll tax forms. All right, now let's take a look at what it would be like to run payroll for one of your clients. So after you leave the Workful Pro dashboard and go into one of your client's companies, you'll see the dashboard just like this. The payroll module is front and center, so you can see what the projected amount is and the last cycle. You've got the option to run payroll, and that's going to follow the payroll schedule that you set up when you created the company in Workful. You also have an option to run off-cycle payroll, and that would be, for instance, if a client asks you to run a bonus checks, like Christmas bonus checks or something in that regard. So let's go ahead and run payroll. So what's happening now is we have synced up this payroll run with all the other features in Workful. So your timesheet is going to automatically push the timesheet data into the payroll run, as well as any PTO requests, any expense reimbursements, and any bonuses. And that's what is typically the biggest time saver, especially for Workful pros who are relying on their clients to text them, email them. You're able to sync right up with the time clock that your client's using, and it pulls the hours in. If for whatever reason you want to do it manually, you can plug in the hours on the fly, and any row here with a line underneath it means that that field is editable. So for instance, all the deductions and withholdings are editable. And from there, you can go through each of the employees and verify that the time clocks or the dollar amounts are all correct. If they are, you'd submit for payroll. If they're on direct deposits, that's going to initiate the direct deposit, which will draft your client's account and transmit paychecks to your employees' accounts, to their employees' accounts. On the flip side, though, you can toggle them all to checks, and what that'll do when you submit for payroll is it will generate a PDF that you can print out on check stock, or that you can email over to your clients so they can print it out themselves on their own check stock. Once you've run the payroll, you can review the batches individually. And then on a monthly or quarterly basis, when you go and do the taxes for your clients, you go over to the Payroll Tax Forms application. And you can see this is kind of a mess. This is a test account, and I don't keep up with it. So over in the Payroll Tax Forms, we're going to generate all the forms for your state and federal returns. We'll take a look here at the federal, the 941. It's going to auto pull all of your payroll data into the form, and then at the bottom, you've got your pay prepare information to plug in. If you're interested in learning about how to become a Workful Pro or learning about referring your clients to Workful, please visit the website workful.com/workfulpro. Give us a call at 866-WORKFUL or email us at sales@workful.com. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.